Arielle.
Sorry.
Hi.
Huh, there's a beer under there, stuck between the shelves. I never would have known if you hadn't sat there.
Are you a cleaning lady? Are you a refrigerator repair person? Are you just waiting for someone to make you a meal? Oh no! Please, some food. Please, some food. I love you so much. You're so cute. Big belly.
She's been in here for like 10 minutes now.
How about
Soy vey or hot peppers? She hasn't seen the chocolate sauce yet. Don't show her. Yeah, hot pepper girl, huh? Yeah, it's great. It's so great. Soy vey. Oh no, that's nothing.
Tuya, as Sabta would say. Tuya.
Okay. Yummy.